honest tools review. Thanks for tuning in to the channel today, guys. I hope you guys had a fantastic Christmas, New Year's, whatever you guys celebrate, and welcome to 2025. We've got big plans for the channel this year, and one of the new things I wanted to do is an honest tool review. So let me start by saying that I am not sponsored at all by any tool manufacturer, no stores, nothing. This channel is still so small. There is no sponsorship. I just want to be as clear as I can about that before we get into our topic. So the intention of this series is just to give an honest review to the regular customer out there who might be looking to update their tools, or they're not sure where they should best spend their money. Because let me tell you, as a mechanic, there's a lot of tools and there's a lot of cost that goes behind them. And so we're gonna get our honest reaction of the box opening, and then we'll check out what's in the kit. Let's get to it. That didn't work. So as you guys can tell, this is obviously from Home Depot. We are going to be looking at a Milwaukee tool set today, which I'm pretty excited about. So before I pull out what is in this amazing Home Depot box, I just want to say that these are just my opinions based off of my experience. If you guys have a different opinion or a different take, please feel free to let me know in the comments below. I try to reach out to every one of you guys and respond to the comments as best as I can. Always keep it friendly and polite, but let's see what I got today. Hell yeah, brother. Oh. We are going to be looking at the Milwaukee 32-piece metric 3/8 shallow and deep, including a ratchet mechanics tool set that does come in one of the Milwaukee pack out cases. So some quick facts before we get into my personal thoughts about this. Like I said, it is a 32-piece set that you're gonna get from Milwaukee. It is a 6mm all the way to 19 for your deep sockets as well as your shallows. You get a really nice ratchet, you get the longer extension and the short, as well as a universal joint. And first, right out of the gate, I gotta say that I am actually surprised that it goes all the way down to 6mm. I was honestly not prepared for that when I ordered this kit, that it goes all the way down to 6, which is pretty cool. The fit and finish on Milwaukee sockets is really nice in my opinion. I really like how sturdy they are. I do use a set professionally in my work kit that is the deep set, and honestly they've held up really well both on my impact gun as well as with hand tools. I really like the square attachment on the end that you can apply any number of tools in order to get the best leverage to get out whatever stubborn piece of hardware you have. Let's test out the ratchet, let's see. Ooh, I don't even know if you guys can hear that, it's so quiet. That's pretty cool. So this ratchet's really nice. It's got a nice weight. Ergonomically, I think it's great. We got it. Oh, that's actually really cool. So something I just noticed, guys, is that the ratchet, if you can tell right here, has a flat section on both sides. I believe that that would be able to allow you to add on possibly one of those wrench extensions onto this and it'd be able to really get a good grip, or not sure what they meant for it, but that's just what I'm thinking. So far that's pretty cool. Obviously we got the Milwaukee logo as well as 3/8, and it's got a really nice directional switch to change there. Very nice. The extensions are pretty cool. Obviously very simple. Got a little bit of knurling here for grip, I would assume. We'll see how well that helps when this is doused in gear oil or some type of oil. And a universal joint here, obviously marked with the Milwaukee logo. I'll be completely honest, I don't really use universal joints very often. I'm not sure who does, but obviously that's the great thing about tools, is that they're for everybody. So we'll see if I end up using that. So one of the other reasons why I decided to go with this new socket set, obviously I've had sockets for years and I've gone through many different sets from Snap-on, Matco, Harbor Freight, of course. Husky is actually a big one that I use every day for my current line of work. And one of the reasons why I went with this kit is actually because I'm gonna use this for my personal kit. One of the reasons I was drawn to this kit specifically is for two reasons. One of which, you can take it out of our pack out system here and you can put this piece in your toolbox, in your drawer, and that can just sit there for however long you need it to use it. On the flip side of that is when you do need to use this, because at least from my experience, I have a lot of friends and family who live throughout the area. It's a little bit difficult sometimes to grab a socket rail and put all this stuff together and throw it all together into a tool bag. And that's actually one of the reasons why I felt compelled to make this video and give my opinion, is because I really am a fan of the Milwaukee pack-out system and Milwaukee tools in general. But one of the things that I was looking for is a kit that I can not only use here in the garage, here at home, or then a family member calls and, you know, they're stuck on the side of the road, or maybe they're stuck at their house. I can easily take this out of my toolbox, I can pop it back into my pack out, and now we have a nice little carrying case to put in the back of the truck and go out and help when we need help. The other use I see of this is if you are someone who goes jeeping, you go camping, you go out to the Glamis Dunes and you go out and have fun, this to me is a really great buy for a really good quality set. That is, again, that real easy when you're packing up your truck and your trailer and you got your razor or your boat, your quads, whatever it is. This is something you can easily stow in a drawer. You can stow it on your vehicle and you can go out and use it, and it kind of gives that peace of mind if you happen to need a tool. I probably will be doing a follow-up review after using it for a few months, and I'll give you my opinion then, see if it changed. So thank you again for tuning into my channel, and thank you guys for helping get this channel to 800 subscribers in 2024. I'm excited to see where we go for this year in 2025. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with your friends, your parents, whoever you might think this information could be useful. You can also find me on Instagram at The Bearded Tortilla. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time.